First of all, why are you in this court in shorts?
I'm sorry, I was just, I don't know, I've never really been in court.
All right. Second of all, turn your phone over to the deputy. Do not close it. Deputy Laura, if you'll delete whatever photo she took, please.
Hear me, yo. Watching how them opera boys get sentenced. You know how the fuck's going on, man. Y'all boys tuned into that Oouchie court watch. Well, we taking it straight from the jail cell to the judge. You mean
John Martinez. Excuse me, the lady. Excuse me, you come forward. Yes, come. No. Come forward. First of all, why are you in this court in shorts?
I'm sorry, I was just, I don't know, I've never really been in court.
All right. Second of all, turn your phone over to the deputy. Do not close it. Deputy Laura, if you'll delete whatever photo she took, please.
This is.
All right. Who are you taking photos of?
Oh, I was just letting my daughter know my son was okay and that he.
No, my question is, who are you taking photos of? All right. So Deputy Laura, if you put her in cuffs, since you want to be next to her son and put her in the box.
I apologize, ma'am. I did
Oh, I
not,
appreciate your apology.
I didn't know.
All right.
Put your phone in picture of that.
And who is Rick in the box?
He's with Charles Monk.
All right. Well, I'm sure Charles Bunk will come back and take care of you, but for now, you're going to be in the box. Hello, where's Nick?
He's coming, Judge,
All right.
and he apologizes for his mother.
Oh, don't apologize. You know, we're
Good
all
evening.
adults. I appreciate you apologizing for
Sorry,
your
I
mother.
really do.
Yeah,
She-
but you know, if she calls you or visits you at the jail, remember to tell her, you know, she can't do that in court. And let me explain to you why. Because we try to run things smoothly. And when people start doing extra in the audience, the deputies are on high alert. They're already on high alert. Then people end up not being able to come back to court. And I know you would like her to be here.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
I'm sorry. We just buried my brother, so she's kind of.
Oh, your defense attorney explained it to me. So I talked to the defense attorney and the deputy. She's gonna be released, but sometimes
Thank
people
you.
need to see how it looks in the back.
Yes.
And
ma'am.
then they'll say, okay, I'm gonna follow the rules.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so where are we on this case?
Okay, Judge, I'm recently new to Mr. Contreras' case. He has on his MTR an allegation of a new number one. And for reasons that I can't explain, his new number ones have been pending in another court for a long
Oh, I
time.
can't explain either.
However, I've remedied that. They're going to be transferred to this court. Mr. Garahan, for that reason, has never even seen the new number ones.
Okay.
So so we're gonna ask for some time
Okay,
for that to happen. In addition, no one's ever asked for a bond to be set on Mr. Contreras' MTR. He's on deferred adjudication for this offense. I'm asking the court if we would consider setting him a bond.
all right, let's do first things first.
So I'd like to reset his case first.
Yes, all right, so, yes, I don't know why those cases
I
are,
don't either, but
in the
that has
175.
been fixed. I've spoken to your court staff and they've remedied that as well. So.
all right, so Ms. Ferguson, let's recall this in 30 days. We'll call it in 30 days as far as the discovery. It won't be set for hearing yet. So, all right, so it's gonna be July 25th.
I'm out of town. Can we do the following week? Yes.
Sure.
Please. Yes, that's perfect.
All right, so August 1st for discovery on new cases.
Attorney, are you Mr. Bunk?
I am Charles Bunk. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right. And state, are you prepared to proceed on an oral motion?
Yes, sir.
All right. Court is calling 2021 CR 2910W State of Texas versus Rick Anthony Contreras. Do I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
Charles Bunk for Mr. Contreras.
And are you Mr. Contreras?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, defense is asking for bond and by way of oral motion. Any objection to the motion being oral?
Not from the state, no, Your Honor.
All right, the defendant is on deferred adjudication. Legally, he's entitled to a bond. Have you all had a chance to discuss a bond amount?
No, Your Honor.
Do y'all want to discuss a bond amount?
We will bring to justice. That we've agreed, if it satisfies the court, we're in agreement at the bond being set at $10,000.
All right.
That is correct.
All right, the court, the defendant is on bond out of this court, so the court is aware of the defendant's criminal history. The court is aware of the defendant's mental history, which does not exist. And so I'm just putting on the record that the court is aware of his background. So since you've been at the Bexar County Jail, have there been any mental health issues that have arisen?
No, ma'am.
All right, are you on any type of medications?
Not ma'am.
All right. And do you have a place to live if you were released?
Yes, ma'am.
And are there only adults in the household?
My son lives there.
All right, how old is your son?
He's 3. He's gonna be 4 in October.
All right, so your son is there and who else is there?
His mother.
Okay. All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to follow your agreement. Set your bond at $10,000. There should be no unsupervised contact with minors, so you can have contact with your son, but there needs to be an adult there.
Yes, ma'am.
And there is going to be, you're going to have to do UAs. Probation will tell you of a location you can go. Since this is still pending
Yes, ma'am.
and open, the motion to revoke, you're not currently supervised by probation because the motion to revoke is pending. So they'll let you know where you can go to do UAs. It just won't be done under them. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to order regular UAs. Is there anything else?
Nothing else, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
May we
Have a
excuse
great day.
Yes,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Oouchie watch, we're on the scene. Truths unravel, and what does it mean? In the halls where stories clash, Oouchie watch quick as a flash.